Meaning of glad-handing.
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 Glad-handing. Glad-handing is a slang term used to describe the act of being overly friendly or enthusiastic in order to gain someone's trust, favor, or support, especially for one's own benefit. It is often used in politics, business, and public relations as a strategy to build relationships and win approval. However, glad-handing can be seen as insincere and manipulative if it is perceived as superficial or lacking in authenticity. The result of glad-handing can vary, from successfully winning over supporters and achieving goals, to damaging one's reputation and losing credibility if the act is exposed as disingenuous or deceptive.